Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the upper dish rack rail rollers in your dishwasher, you will need to fully uninstall the appliance. Before you attempt this, be sure to turn off the power to the dishwasher and shut off the water supply valve. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, unthread the two mounting screws, securing the lower access panel. Set the panel aside. Use channel lock pliers to loosen the elbow fitting, securing the water supply line to the inlet valve. Fully unthread the elbow fitting. Be prepared for some water to spill. Next, disconnect the drain hose from the sink drain or garbage disposer and feed it through the cabinet. Open the dishwasher door and unthread the two screws securing the dishwasher mounting brackets to the cabinet or countertop. To move the dishwasher, you may need to adjust the legs to lower the appliance. Rotate the front legs clockwise to lower the front. Using the Phillips head screwdriver, rotate the rear leg adjusting rod counterclockwise to lower the rear of the dishwasher. Now gently pull the dishwasher away from the cabinet. Place a weight on top of the dishwasher to help stabilize it. Pull the upper dish rack out and rotate both front stop clips outward to fully remove the rack. Release the retaining tabs to remove both rear stop clips, and you can slide the rails out. Lift up the insulation and unthread the screws securing the old rollers and supports. All of the dish rack rail rollers can be installed in the same way. Align the rollers on the inside of the side panel and the support on the outside of the panel. Then thread the screws to secure. With all of the rollers installed, reposition the insulation. Realign the rails on the rollers and snap the rear stop clips into place. Realign the upper dish rack rollers on the side rails. Push the rack in and rotate the front stop clips inward. Remove the weight. Confirm that the end of the drain hose is accessible through the cabinet wall. Then gently slide the dishwasher back into the cabinet. Extend the front leveling legs if necessary. Rotate the adjusting rod clockwise to extend the rear leg. Rethread the screws to secure the mounting brackets to the cabinet or countertop. Feed the drain hose through the cabinet and connect it to the sink drain or garbage disposer. make sure the hose is elevated above the connection point. Thread the water supply line elbow fitting onto the inlet valve port and tighten. Realign the lower access panel and rethread the screws to secure. Turn the water supply back on, as well as the power, and your dishwasher should be ready for use.